Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display product without code. So let's see about that. You can see here a module, their product name without code. Here not install this module. So first go to sales, go to any orders and now add product. So display here product with code. But using this our app, here not display code with product. So first go to app and install this. Now our module is installable. Again go to sales, go to any orders and now add here product. So see here all product display here without code and you can easily add here and save. Thank you.